had to do like clear the sidewalk over on Duke. Oh, this morning.
Yes.
So you've been out for a while.
Yes.
Good staying, taking breaks at all, or?
Yes, of course. He said breaks.
Vodka, that's what I need.